In motorsport, margins are razor thin. To stay competitive, Formula 2 team AIX Racing takes full control of damper performance, using the LABA7 EMA.
Hello everyone, I'm Arthur Rencker from AIX Racing, Technical Director and Chief Engineer for Formula 2 team. And we are using the LABA EMA product to shake and measure our dampers. We decided to go ahead with a LABA machine. It's a new company like our one with great objective. I like the approach they have, and it's reflecting our approach going forward, learning from both of us and going forward to produce a better product and having a better service. Each time we come back from a race weekend, we measure the dampers, then we do some R&D work on them. We measure them one last time before they go on the circuit, and on the circuit we use the result we receive from the EMA to make sure that the setup we target is matched with the theory.
With fast test cycles and full in-house control, AIX Racing can validate changes immediately.
The EMA stands out in the low latency and accurate measurement that we really appreciate, but LABA EMA stands out for the after-sales service, the low form factor of the machine, and the precision of the measures. We can do in-house, we do our damper, we measure them at in-house, and we do all the development ourselves. Drivers really felt the difference when before and the after, and the damper helped improving this contact. So this really improved, and the drivers are really happy with it. Definitely EMA helped us to improve our lap time, handling of the car and knowledge. We had really good return from the other engineer from the team working with them, and our driver and all the people around the drivers. I will definitely recommend EMA if somebody asks me, or even if somebody doesn't ask me, I tell them, yeah, what's the improvement in the team? Is quite often like the investment, the knowledge we have more from the team and from the car, and this comes partially from EMA.
LABA7 EMA is a high-performance system for precision damper testing, developed for professional motorsport and OEM suspension programs. It delivers up to 7,000 millimeters per second velocity, 150 Hz frequency, and 100 G acceleration, covering everything from low-speed sensitivity tuning to high-velocity durability cycles. Waveform generation includes sine, triangle, square, pulse, pink noise, sweep, chirp, and direct track data import. All signals are fully configurable to match exact test requirements. EMA systems normally run on 3-phase power, but can be configured for standard single-phase outlets on request, making them easy to install in any lab, workshop, or trackside environment. No special infrastructure required. Learn more at laba7.com/EMA.